Today I want to show you these rolling grilling baskets that I bought for my guy who loves to grill and can always use some extra accessories out there. These are really unique because they are rolling baskets and they're great for vegetables. They nest for storing. There's the smaller one and the larger one. They do nest for storage. What I really like about them is they're easy to use, easy to open and close, and they have these nice long wooden handles on them. So to use these, you would prep your veggies in whatever way you want, get them all ready to go. I always mist this with a little bit of oil on the inside just so everything doesn't get gross and sticky in there. And then you'll go ahead and open it here and put your veggies inside. Note that we have also a hook so that when you pull these off of the grill and they're hot, I use it this way to pop that open, so you don't have to have it. You can use a pot holder and pop those open. What I really like about this is, I know you're looking at this thinking, oof, that's going to be horrible to clean, but it really isn't, because I wash all the debris off. I unscrew the wooden handle here, and then I throw them in the dishwasher. And they look like new when they come out. Look at this. They look amazing. These are very useful, great for someone who loves to grill and do things on the barbecue, and it's amazing for your vegetables. Check them out. Thanks for watching.